Dear students, today I am taking class accountancy, class 12. The chapter is profit and loss appropriation account. Now today is your book problem number 6. Problem number 6, your NCERT books. Now the problems are page number 102. Lokesh and Azad are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2 with capital of rupees 50,000 and 30,000 respectively. Interest on capital is agreed to be paid. Interest on capital is agreed to be paid at the rate of 6% per annum. Azad is allowed a salary 2,500 per annum. Azad is allowed a salary 2,500 per annum. During 2006, the profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital. During 2006, the profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital, but after charging Azad's salary, amounted to rupees 12,500. This line is very important. Okay, now I will repeat it. During 2006, the profit prior to calculation of interest on capital, but charging Azad's salary amounted to rupees 12,500. A provision of 5% profit to be made in respect of manager's commission. PPR accounting show the relation of profit and balance coverage. Clear? That now net profit will be given in the problem 12,500 after Azad's salary. So what is the total profit? The net profit plus Azad's salary. Now the profit will be given in the problem. The deducted from the Azad's salary. The calculation after Azad's salary, profit will be 12,500. The before Azad's salary, profit will be 12,500 plus 2,500, 15,000. Clear? This is the tricks in your problem. Now, problem number 6. Profit and loss appropriation account. Credit, debit, rupees, particulars. By net profit 12,500, add Azad's salary. Azad salary 2,500, total 15,000. Interest on capital. Now the partner is Lokesh and Azad. Lokesh, Azad, capital 50,000, 30,000. Interest on capital agreed to pay 6%. The 50,000 rupees, 50,000 into 6%, 3,000 rupees, 30,000 into 6%, 1800, so 4,800. Clear? To Azad's salary. 2,500. To provisions for manager's commission. Provision for manager's commission, rupees 15,000, 5%, 750. Now complete. 15,000 Now profit. $6,950 to share of profit. To share of profit transfer to partners capital. Location Azad. Location Azad, ratio 3:2. The 6,950 3 by 5 4,170 6,950 into 2 by 5 2,790. Clear? Now this is the end of profit and loss appropriation account. By net profit 12,500. This is important. Now in the problem, net profit shows after reduction of Azad salary. The profit will be profit before Azad salary 12,000 plus 2,500 15,000. Now here interest on capital 50,000 to 600 3,000. Azad 1,008 4,800. Azad salary 2,500. Manager's commission 15,000 into 5 750. And share of profit transfer to partner capital 6,950 3 by 5 or 6,950 2 by 5 6,950. Okay. Now this is the capital 4,170 2,790. Now partners capital account. Clear? Partners capital account. Partners capital account. Partners capital account. Particulars. Partners location Azad. Particulars credit location Azad rupees by balance BD by balance BD 50,000 30,000 by interest on capital by interest on capital 3,000 1,800. Okay. By salary Azad 2,500. By share of profit by share of profit 4,170 2,780. Total 5,7,170 और 3,7,080 debit side 5,7,170 3,7,080. तो टू बैलेंस CD 57,170, 37080. So buy balance BD 57,170, 37080. Clear? This is the end of partners capital account. By balance BD 50,000, 30,000. By international capital 3,000, 1,800. By salary 2,500. By share of profit transfer to partners capital 4170, 2780. The total 57 to balance BD. Now balance is BD. Now this is the clear. Okay. Now this is understand the problem. Now this is the end of the problem. Okay. Now problem number 7, page number 103. Problem number 7 is the problem number 7, page number 103. This is the homework, is important. Now this is the discuss on next class 7. The partnership agreement between Monish and Girish provide profit will be shared equally. Number 2, Monish will be allowed as salary 400 per month. Number 3, Girish, who manages the salary sales department, will be allowed commission equal 10% net profit after allowing Monish salary. 7% interest will be allowed on partners fixed capital. Number 5, 5% interest will be charged on partners annual drawings. 6, the fixed capital of Monish and Girish are rupees 1,80,000 respectively. Their annual drawings are rupees 16,000 and 14,000 respectively. The net profit for the year ended 40,000. Prepare funds profit and loss appropriation account and also partners capital. Now this problem is homework. I think all will try to it. Now discuss the next class. Today is now end my class. Okay. Thank you.